Today I'm making a mid-century modern style plywood desk. The desk is a very basic rectangular box. This whole project will be made from 18mm Baltic birch plywood, except the drawer fronts. Those will be walnut. After rough cutting the plywood with my track saw, I cut everything to final dimensions with my table saw. Instead of mitering this box together, I rabbeted the ends and the back piece, leaving the thin part of the rabbet only about 2mm thick, or about 2 plies on the plywood. More on this in a minute. Here you get a better look at what I meant by rabbeting the side pieces. This allows everything to snap together. It made the assembly really simple, yet still giving the look of miters from the outside of the desk. For the legs, I printed out a template from my SketchUp file and cut the router template out of 12mm MDF. To make the inside radius on the corners, I used 3 different size Forstner bits that best fit the radius I wanted. I was able to make this entire project out of 2 pieces of 5x5 Baltic birch plywood. Here I am cutting out a notch for a cross brace to span between the 2 sets of legs. One side of the lamination supports the desk, while the other side sandwiches the sides. Hey, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified when I post new videos. Construction method is the same as everybody else. Dados for the drawer bottoms, held together with pocket hole screws. drawer fronts are this piece of black walnut that I had, and I did my best to make the grain run continuously across all three. Finished everything with 4 coats of satin wipe-on poly with a 400 grit sand in between coats. This gives a nice smooth glass-like finish. It's not too shiny. To mount the drawer fronts, I made the mounting holes slightly larger than they needed to be, and this allowed me to adjust the fronts to fit perfectly.